You can access the SAS and AP online system from the TGA website by typing SAS into the search tool. The top result will take you to the online system page. This page contains information about accessing and using the online system, and there are links to further guidance and information at the bottom of the page. Scroll down and click on the blue SAS AP Online System button. This will take you to the online portal. Registration and login. To use the online system, you first need to register an account. Click Register Now on the top right and fill in the required fields on the new page. You'll need to create a username and unique password. Note that all passwords automatically expire after 90 days, and you will be prompted to create a new one. Click Register. You'll receive an email with an activation link. Click this link and follow the steps to activate your account. Once your account is set up, click Login to get to the system login page and enter your username and password. When you're logged in, you'll be taken to the SAS homepage. This page provides an overview of available pathways, prescriber responsibilities, and relevant links. Use the navigation bar along the top of the page to access the different areas of the system. SAS C notification for medical and nurse practitioners. Both nurse practitioners and medical practitioners can prescribe therapeutic vapes through the Special Access Scheme Category C pathway. First, select SAS Dashboard on the navigation bar. On the new page, select New SAS Submission. Prescribers must select Yes to Are You the Prescriber? Once you select Yes, your prescriber details, including principal place of practice, will be pre-populated on the page. The principal place of practice can be edited if needed. If you are a registered health practitioner, you can submit on behalf of a prescriber, even if you are not the prescriber. You'll be required to enter their details, including the registration number. Click Save and Next. On the new page, you need to choose the therapeutic good type. For therapeutic vapes, select Medicine. You then need to select Active Ingredient. Click the Lookup tool. In the pop-up window search box, type nicotine and tick the only option that appears: nicotine, zero nicotine therapeutic vaping goods including substances, kits, and goods in vaping packs. For dosage form, again click the Lookup tool and in the pop-up window, tick the appropriate option, which in this case is solid or liquid. The last item is indication. Click the Lookup tool again and select the Category C option that appears. Click Save and Next. On this page, select the therapeutic vaping product type. Click in the box or the down arrow to see the three options, which include nicotine vapes, zero nicotine vapes, or both. Select the option that will be prescribed for that patient during the duration of treatment. Enter the expected duration of treatment, which is at the discretion of the prescribing practitioner, and select the intended date of supply. Save and Next. You now need to provide patient details. Only 3 identifiers are required: initials, date of birth, and gender. MRN and previous SAS application numbers are optional fields. You need to provide a diagnosis relevant to the submission, for example, nicotine addiction, and respond to the question of whether approved treatments have been considered for this patient. You can provide supporting information if you have any, but it is not a requirement. Click Save and Next. You will then come to a summary page. Please review and ensure the information is correct. You can go back to make changes if required by clicking on Previous at the bottom of each page. Finally, you'll need to read the privacy and consent statement and select Yes to indicate that you understand and agree. Click Submit. Once you press Submit, you'll see a success message which includes a submission identifier number. A submission receipt with this number will also be sent to your email. To assist the dispensing pharmacists, include the submission identifier number on the script if possible. To see this and other submissions, go to SAS Dashboard on the navigation bar, where you can see the status of each submission. You can download the receipt from here. SAS C notifications are valid indefinitely provided the patient meets the SAS C notification criteria. Authorized prescriber application for medical practitioners only. Medical practitioners can apply to become authorized prescribers of specific unapproved therapeutic goods, including therapeutic vapes that contain nicotine. To do this, navigate to the AP dashboard along the banner of the SAS AP online system. On the new page, click on a new nicotine AP application. A pop-up window will appear with prescriber details. This section is pre-populated from information you provided when you created your account, so it's important to ensure those details are up to date. To make changes to your account profile, navigate to the banner at the top of each page and select the down arrow next to your name. Select Profile and Update as required. The product selection section is also pre-populated and cannot be amended. You then need to select Yes or No to indicate if you consent to your details being included in a list of approved authorized prescribers and how you would like them to appear. Note that currently the TGA is not publishing such a list. Confirm that you will consider approved therapeutic goods for the treatment of your patients before prescribing an unapproved good. And finally, please read the privacy statement and confirm that you have read and understood it. Click Submit. The application will appear in the AP dashboard with information such as status and any action required. It will take the TGA up to 10 business days to review the application and make a decision. The status will then be updated on the dashboard. You will receive a decision letter via email. It can also be downloaded from the dashboard. This letter should be provided with the prescription. Typically, AP approvals are valid for 5 years. Authorized prescribers have reporting requirements. You must report every 6 months, in July and January, the total number of patients you've treated and the number of new patients you've treated in the reporting period. To submit this information, navigate to AP Reports using the navigation bar and enter the patient numbers for each unapproved product you are authorized to access. We hope this demonstration has been helpful. Contact help. The TGA Special Access section can help with all portal inquiries. Please send an email to sas.support@health.gov.au with the information listed below. The team will review the issue you are having and respond within 3 business days.